Hi. The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. With this beautiful view. Couldn't get better. This time I want to talk about the chapter which talks about the hostility behind the friendly facade. This part that I marked is very interesting, so listen closely. What this means is that human aggression stems from an underlying insecurity as opposed to simply an impulse to hurt or take from others. Before any impulse to take aggressive action, aggressors are unconsciously processing feelings of helplessness and anxiety. They often perceive threats that are not really there or exaggerate them. They take action to preempt the perceived attack of another or to grab for things in order to dominate a situation they feel may elude their control. Such feelings also provoke the positive type of aggression as well. Feeling the need to fight an injustice or create something important is preceded by feelings of anxiety and insecurity. It remains an attempt at control for positive purposes. When we look at any chronic aggressor around us, we must search for the underlying insecurity, the deep wound, the reverberating feelings of helplessness from their earliest years. I think a lot of times people project their inner selves onto others, and you see that in people who are always aggressive and always feel attacked. There is an underlying issue. There has to be something that happened throughout their life that they have not healed from, that they haven't moved on from, that they automatically refer to when something happens or something is said to them that kind of triggers that. Always a trigger. And I think reading this and realizing this about people really makes it easier on yourself to not take things so personally. I would honestly just throw this number out there, but probably 90% of the time, where you might take something personally, you shouldn't be taking it personally. It has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with the other person and what is going on in their mind, what is going on in their life, what has happened in their life, all their experiences, and the way their brain is wired. So, again, don't take things so personally and see through these aggressive type of people, these aggressors, and what they are doing. And when you see through that they are really projecting their inner self onto you, it changes everything. It really does change everything. And it changes your interactions with people. And to not overthink it so much, because no, you didn't do anything wrong. It's them. It's coming from them. It is their non-healed trauma that is coming out, in these moments.